Top 5 must-have robot vacuums today. Your cleaning buddy this 2023. One of the most annoying chores at home is definitely vacuuming. Most of us could not just appreciate pushing and dragging, right? Vacuuming our homes is something we should and must do, despite the fact that it is irritating. Fortunately, there are robot vacuums available that could be your cleaning buddy and make the job much simpler than it usually is. With robot vacuums, you don't have to deal with bulky wires or hoses while cleaning. Most significantly, you don't have to put much effort into using them. By just using a remote or a smartphone app, you can control one even if you're sitting comfortably on your couch. Additionally, if you have a higher-end model, you may set it to automatically turn on and begin cleaning without any assistance from you. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in this video, so let's get started. Number 5 on the list is the Dreamebot L10 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The fact that this robot vacuum cleaner can listen makes it wonderful. This is due to the fact that when connected to Alexa, it features voice prompts in 7 different languages that lets you control your robot vacuum cleaner using your voice. Additionally, it makes a map of your home after the first time it cleans it. After that, the map will be imported into the app, enabling you to schedule cleaning from your phone for the following cleaning session. Dreamebot L10 Pro uses lidar navigation, which uses 2 lasers to scan the area around it for obstacles. Because of its sensors, it can scan 8 meters in advance of itself while it cleans your entire house. The advanced brushless motor in this robot vacuum cleaner generates 4,000 Pascal pressure unit of suction power. Additionally, it has 4 suction settings from which to pick, which enables it to operate for a record-breaking 2.5 hours. The Dreamebot does a task of a suction boost when it notices carpet on your floor, thoroughly cleaning every surface in your home. With an increased dust tank capacity of 570 milliliters or 0.15 gallons, you don't have to empty the dustbin constantly. The robot vacuum mops are periodically moistened by its water tank, which has a 270 milliliter capacity. The Dreamebot L10 Pro can navigate obstacles up to 20 milliliters high and can anticipate cliff edges so that your robot vacuum can be protected from being stuck or falling off a risky ledge. The next vacuum cleaner on the list is the Eufy Robovac 11S. This vacuum cleaner is affordably priced and frequently discounted on the market. However, the efficiency of this vacuum is unaffected by its low cost. It is effortlessly capable of removing dry oats from both a hard floor and a medium pile carpet. Additionally, although it wasn't as effective in carpets, finer dust from cookies and flour can also be cleaned successfully on a hard surface. This vacuum can clean under furniture with little space because of its thin design. There are, however, a number of drawbacks. First off, it lacks smartphone control and voice support integration. Second, it has a smaller dustbin than other models, which means you have to empty the dustbin constantly. Another is that it doesn't clean your house in the same way orderly as other, more expensive versions do. This implies that Eufy could occasionally go in a straight line and other times look for the corners of a room. Other times it will circle the house, which will lengthen the time it takes to clean the entire space or floor. This can be suitable for individuals who value a basic vacuum cleaner. If you've come this far in this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe, or let us know what you think in the comment section. We're now down to the top 3 item on the list, the Irobot Roomba 694. The Irobot Roomba 694 does a wonderful job of picking up all the debris scattered on the floor, including cereal, sand, and hair. It moves and cleans the house randomly because there is no mapping feature. Once the battery starts to slow down, it returns to its dock. After a cleaning cycle, this vacuum cleaner had no trouble locating its dock and it hardly ever got stuck, which is a great ability. The Irobot Roomba 694 can be connected to a Wi-Fi network. and the included app may be used to control it, such as turning it on and off. This robot vacuum is compatible with voice assistants like Google Assistant, Amazon, and Alexa, even though it lacks intelligent mapping or object avoidance features. The dustbin is additionally simple to take out and empty. However, it is advised to clean the brush rolls at least once a month because hair can accumulate and decrease the effectiveness of the vacuum. Getting second place on the list is the Samsung JetBot AI Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. With the help of its powerful sensors and object recognition technology, it can determine which floor objects should be vacuumed or not, keeping all of your belongings secure. It should be noted that Samsung places a high priority on cleanliness and filtration, which is why JetBot AI Plus promotes clean air in contrast to other robot vacuums. Clean air is released from its extensive 5-layer filtration system, and 99.99% of the tiny particles are captured when air enters. Similar to the Robovac we previously discussed, it automatically modifies suction power based on the type of surface the JetBot is running on to prevent any blockages. Additionally, hair tangling would be an issue with this vacuum since it grinds hair up to prevent knots around the brush. With Samsung's app, you can view real-time video photos of your house while keeping an eye on its condition using JetBot's AI front camera. You can view the areas of your home that the JetBot has cleaned on the app as well. You can look at its cleaning history, which increases cleaning effectiveness everywhere. Now we're down to the best robot vacuum cleaner that you must have this 2023, the Irobot Roomba i7 Plus. The Roomba i7 comes with a clean base, automatic dirt disposal, and dirt disposal bags in addition to the standard Robovac package components. Roomba i7 can self-empty for up to 60 days. The Roomba i7 performs admirably in terms of power and performance. With its two multi-surface rubber brushes, 10 times stronger powerful suction, and an edge sweeping brush to thoroughly clean all those hard-to-reach edges, you can say goodbye to your floor and carpet dirt with confidence. In terms of smart performance, the Roomba i7 navigates and maps to your house to make sure every room is completely clean. Another unique feature is that it may be tailored to clean according to the owner's cleaning routines and cleaning habits. This robot vacuum has a home app that suggests additional cleaning when it notices high pollen counts in your area or during pet shedding season. Through the app, you can control Roomba i7 Plus in a variety of ways, including creating custom routines, scheduling, and cleaning recommendations. A voice command can be used to operate the Roomba i7 in addition to using the app. Certainly, the Roomba i7 Plus improves smart cleaning thanks to its practical, smart functions. That wraps today's list of the top 5 robot vacuums you definitely must purchase this 2023 if you want a fantastic cleaning buddy. What are your thoughts? Which one do you consider buying? Let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, click the like and share icons. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated and notified when we post videos like this one. We appreciate your time and see you at the next one.